Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a brief look at the WAP's website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you remove any of your team users or team members from your WAP store. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up WAP on your preferred web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your profile as well. And now from the dashboard of your WAP on the left hand side and from this menu, you'll scroll all the way down until you see the settings part. From this settings, you will click on team, and down here you will see the list of all of your team members. Now, right now it is only me. However, I will show you the example of how you can remove a user. To do so, on the right hand side, you will click on these three vertical lines or dots, and by clicking on them there will be a remove user option. Once you click on remove user, it will ask you, are you sure you will no longer have access to this company and will need to be re-invited. You click on remove user and you will be good to go. So that's the fastest way to do so. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.